Good morning. It's like 11 a.m. But it's not late, guys, because it's pretty good because I went to bed at 3. My sleep schedule's so messed up. I was on TikTok for probably half the day yesterday. Like, if you did the math, it'd probably be at least 12 hours. So it's crackhead hours again. Caffeine must have kicked in. You guys know those songs by Phineas? Oh my gosh, Phineas is so good. And it's like, wanna crash the car, but I won't make that mistake again and fall, 'cause I don't miss you at all. Except I do miss all my friends in quarantine. Mwah. The OGs, like the middle school kitty friends, you guys know Jar of Hearts was my song. I sang it every day on the bus to basketball. Let's sing a little bit of it. Collecting your jar of hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? Okay, I need to edit really bad. Well, actually, no, I don't. But like I should. Because I'm making this super long video. All my high school memories. And my friends have been blowing up my phone. And I appreciate. So. I cannot dance to save my life. Out here on the back porch patio situation. Doing our work. I just finished editing the 5th day of Canada, and before that I was watching some of the videos my friends were sending me for this like recap of high school video I think I might do. Now I'm questioning how good of an idea it is. So I'm a little depresso espresso, like, you know what I'm saying? So I do some laundry and just breathe. Hey guys, so you're sitting on the counter. This is a pan. Just ignore that. I am gonna make some chocolate covered fruit. I'm also excited, I know I am. So let me show you my setup here. So we got the pan. Water is boiling underneath it. My chocolate's right there. Strawberries are still in the fridge. My mom said not to wash them, so it should be fine. My bananas, I need to cut those up. Yeah, I'm gonna set them on this paper, and then I have the rack so I can like stack it, because we don't have very much counter space. Okay, so now that the water is boiling, we're gonna get our almond bark. Starting to melt. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the bananas while I'm waiting. So I washed my little cutting board. I'm gonna chop these all up. So I've been adding more and more, but I think I'm gonna start dipping these in so I can eat them. So this might be kind of dangerous, but here we go. You get the strawberry here, grab the green, and then I'm gonna dip it in and twist. Dip it, oh geez, oh geez. Keep on twisting. This is hard with one hand, and then boom. Ta-da! I just did the first batch of strawberries. There they all are. Now I'm gonna try to do the bananas. Now I'm like halfway through the almond bark. I try to stick this fork in the banana and then like, so we'll see. The fork method did not work for, it's gonna taste good, okay? Before I show you, it's gonna taste good. So, this is what they're looking like. I've just been dropping them in there and rolling them around. That's obviously not the perfection that my strawberries are, so I think we're just gonna do these and then be done. So here's my little contraption situation happening. Those are struggling to say the least, I would say. So I'm just gonna use the rest of this chocolate. I only have 4 little banana things left, and then I'll do the rest in strawberries, and then I'll just cut up the strawberries and like so I can eat them, you know, without chocolate on them. So yeah. They're doing a concert fundraiser on TV that Lady Gaga's in charge of. Got my strawberry. Better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor. Guys, that little concert situation was so cute and sad, and I wanted to cry the whole time. I've just been like that today. Wow, I'm that right there, that what just happened, that explains how I've been feeling. Literally 1 second I'm the next second I'm like is this what being a senior is like? Or is this just like part of the mental breakdown of being in quarantine? I don't know. I'm gonna go take a bath. Try to chill out. Probably do some extractions. That's kind of TMI. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Because I've been breaking out like crazy. Do you see all these forehead? Okay, wow. The camera's not helping me. All those bumps on my forehead are not it. And I don't know why I'm breaking out there because I never do. Same with my nose. I have the same bumps on my nose as my forehead. I don't know. But this is pretty normal right here. So, super fun fact that no one asked for. Sink here. This whole tub is full of bath stuff and some lotions. If anybody wants any bath stuff, seriously hit me up because I do not need all of them. Shade, but I'm pretty sure I've been at this Walmart pickup for like 45 minutes to an hour and they haven't come and checked on me. Seconds after I ended that video, they came. And it's because the tracker was tracking my mom's phone. That's awkward. I miss my friends. I'm emotional. So it's Sunday. I don't know if we can vlog today. I've just been doing chores. Picked up some I did vlog the Walmart. I remember now. Picked up some more groceries and stuff at Target as well. I've just been going through it. I am on the verge of a mental breakdown. I also have to pack because we're going to my grandparents for a week. So I've played a lot of Candy Crush today, if that tells you anything. So, maybe some whipped coffee. Not very much though, because it is like almost 6 p.m. So, now let's get to packing. Got a good amount of packing done. So now I'm gonna make some dinner because my mom is a little busy. So, okay, so just had dinner and of course some chocolate covered strawberries. Dinner, I made it, so it was kind of underwhelming, being honest. But I did like the sides. The roasted veggies were super good. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. That was a weekend in my life. You witnessed me on the verge of mental breakdown multiple times. I did not ever actually fully cry. Definitely got close though, like really close. So like this video, subscribe for more, and comment down below what you want to see from me next, and see you next time. Missing someone.